Today you'll learn 28 English sentences for one of the hardest moments in any conversation, when you don't understand what someone said. This is day 1 of our 5-day English speaking challenge. 5 days, 5 real-life situations, and 5 days of speaking out loud. By the end of today, you'll know exactly what to say when you don't understand someone. You don't need perfect English. You just need your voice. Let's start. Before we begin, 2 sentences just for you. Say them out loud with me. I can speak English clearly. I can speak English clearly. I can speak English clearly. Every day I practice, I get better. Every day I practice, I get better. Every day I practice, I get better. Good. Now let's begin. First, 6 sentences for those moments when you don't hear or understand what someone said. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Sorry, I didn't hear you. Sorry, I didn't hear you. Sorry, I didn't hear you. Could you say that again, please? Could you say that again, please? Could you say that again, please? Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? One more time, please. One more time, please. One more time, please. Sorry, what did you say? Sorry, what did you say? Sorry, what did you say? I missed the last part. I missed the last part. I missed the last part. Good. Now, notice what you just did. You didn't study those sentences. You didn't write them down. You simply heard them and said them out loud. That's shadowing. And this is why it can help you speak more naturally. Think about an English song you've heard many times. Sometimes you can sing parts of it without thinking about the grammar or translating every word. Why? Because you've heard it again and again. And your mouth remembers the sound and rhythm. Speaking English works in a similar way. Many learners spend a lot of time reading, studying grammar, and learning vocabulary. Those things are important. But speaking also needs physical practice. Your mouth needs to become familiar with English sounds, rhythm, and sentence patterns. So during these 5 days, don't just listen. Say every sentence out loud. Try to copy my pronunciation, my rhythm, and my speed. You don't have to sound perfect. Just speak. Ready? Let's keep going. Sometimes you understand the words, but the other person is speaking too quickly. Here are 5 useful sentences. Could you speak more slowly, please? Could you speak more slowly, please? Could you speak more slowly, please? That was a little too fast for me. That was a little too fast for me. That was a little too fast for me. Can you speak a bit louder, please? Can you speak a bit louder, please? Can you speak a bit louder, please? I can hear you, but you speak very fast. I can hear you, but you speak very fast. I can hear you, but you speak very fast. Please speak slowly. I'm still learning. Please speak slowly. I'm still learning. Please speak slowly. I'm still learning. Great! Now imagine that you hear a word clearly, but you don't know what it means. Here are 6 sentences that can help. What does that word mean? What does that word mean? What does that word mean? I don't know that word. I don't know that word. I don't know that word. Can you explain that, please? Can you explain that, please? Can you explain that, please? Can you say that in an easier way? Can you say that in an easier way? Can you say that in an easier way? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? How do you spell that? How do you spell that? How do you spell that? Good. Here's something important. You don't always need to answer immediately. It's completely normal to take a few seconds to think. Native speakers do this too. Here are 5 sentences you can use when you need a little more time. Let me think for a moment. Let me think for a moment. Let me think for a moment. I need a minute, please. I need a minute, please. I need a minute, please. Just a second, please. Just a second, please. Just a second, please. How do you say this in English? How do you say this in English? How do you say this in English? I know the word, but I can't remember it. I know the word, but I can't remember it. I know the word, but I can't remember it. Excellent. And finally, 6 sentences to help you stay confident when a conversation becomes difficult. I'm still learning English. I'm still learning English. I'm still learning English. I understand a little, but I speak slowly. I understand a little, but I speak slowly. I understand a little, but I speak slowly. I understand more than I can say. I understand more than I can say. I understand more than I can say. Please be patient with me. Please be patient with me. Please be patient with me. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for helping me. I'm not afraid to make mistakes. I'm not afraid to make mistakes. I'm not afraid to make mistakes. Great job. That's 28 useful sentences. And every one of them can help you in a real conversation. Before you finish today, choose 3 sentences from this lesson. Any 3. Say them out loud one more time. Not only in your head, say them with your voice. That's how speaking becomes easier. And remember, you don't need to understand every word to keep a conversation going. You just need to know how to respond. Tomorrow is day 2 of our 5-day speaking challenge. Out and about. We'll practice useful English for shops, cafes, and everyday situations outside the home. Practice today, come back tomorrow, and keep speaking. Follow English Rhythm Lab for more shadowing practice, with new situations and different levels to help you speak English more naturally and confidently. See you in day 2.